counties in Ohio: Ashland, Knox, Moreland, Richland. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Morrow County, northern Knox County, south central Ashland County, southern Richland County until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Rainfall rates were estimated over 2 inches per hour with this storm. Rainfall rates this high falling over hilly and saturated rain can produce flash flooding. Locations impacted include Loudonville, Lexington, Fredericktown, Danville, Belleville. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, as well as farmland along the banks of creeks and streams. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Knox, Moreland, Richland.